All of the minerals that we mentioned earlier that stain your shower doors and things like that and your dishes, they will build up in your water heater tank faster than they would on most other things, because when you heat water, one of the things we do is we get the minerals to fall out of the water when we heat it. If you've ever looked inside an old tea kettle and it's got a white, crusty or slimy layer on the bottom, that's because when you heat that water in the tea kettle, the minerals that are suspended in the water fall out of the water faster once you heat it. So your water heater is basically a giant tea kettle. It's a 40 or 50 gallon tea kettle or a tankless tea kettle. So we're actually getting minerals out of that water faster on the hot side, and that creates debris in your water heater. If you've got an electric water heater, it'll stick to the elements and cause those to fail faster. If you have a tankless water heater, it will jam up the heat exchangers faster. Not to mention that even on the cold side of things, it's still getting into all your fixtures, all your valves, all of your appliances. Hard water is probably one of the biggest culprits of shortened lifespans for anything in your plumbing system.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.